What's up, you guys? It's Marsh here. We're with Will's S2000. Brought it by again because he has a new steering wheel going in. So he got a little quick release, or not a quick release, but a new steering hub, new steering wheel, and yeah, just gonna throw that on the S2000. Steering hub. And then got a, what is this, MOMO, what is it called, the Monte Carlo, right? 350? Yeah, 350 Monte Carlo wheel. What we got going on in the car, ASM hub, MOMO wheel. So, gonna be pretty quick. Almost there, bro. Almost done. Oh no, bro. Bro, ruined the resale value.
Oh my god.
Bro, come on.
Everything's open, dude.
Bro. Alright, yeah, so now you can see where the bolt, it's just a T30, couple T30 bolts, unscrew it, and then the airbag will come off, and then there'll be a big bolt behind that, and then you just take that off. It's pretty simple. A pet to match my car. Pretty big, dude. Yeah, he's usually like chills up. He's usually just in the tree.
No way.
Like yesterday, he was just in the tree all day. Dang, dude. Live in the wild, bro.
Over here.
Yeah, it's just this one, dude. That's always here. Got a little company with our steering wheel install. T30 action, dude. And then you just connect up this wire. Then you pull this up.
I see.
You pull up, and then yeah, there you go. Yeah, bro.
Ooh, I'm scared.
Oh. That's like the worst angle.
Sweet.
Oh, it came off right.
Yeah.
Straight, right?
Oh wait, you just have to keep this on in case I hit my face. Yank it.
Oh, if it doesn't come off, I just hit it with a mallet from the back. Or a mallet. That's like the easiest way to take it off. Come on, bro. Dude, I'll get you the hammer.
Like the fucking steering wheel?
Yeah, I just hit like the back of it.
What's up, my steering wheel?
Is it off?
No.
Yeah, there we go. Now it's loose. See, bro? There we go, bro.
Sweet.
Yeah, otherwise it's like impossible. I just do that now every time because I've hit myself in the face one time too. I was like pulling on it super hard. And then the top of the steering wheel hit me. Ooh. Easy, bro. You don't gotta put it on all the way, but I guess you might as well. Oh, it works, bro. Dang, Lux, dude. Are you going with the silver horn button?
Oh wait, it works without.
Yeah, dude. No, you have to, otherwise it comes loose like right away. It's just like you have to like tighten it in like 4 days, dude. If you don't make it tight. Cause they just like rattle off when you drive.
Bro.
Yeah.
Even if they're titanium?
Yeah, bro. All installed. Titanium.
Or titanium.
What? Which one looks better?
I don't know. Matches the hub though.
The blue, bro.
Think so?
Yeah. Since the wheel is blue. No, I thought that's what you were going for.
Yeah, but then I saw the polish. Oh man, I lost it. God damn it, dude. Oh, it looks decent because it matches this at least. Yeah. I don't know, it looks pretty good like this.
Hey, what do you think? They're pretty lit?
Not worth the money.
Dude. He did the ASM hub, bro. I guess I might as well finish the video. Alright, you guys, yeah. Will's new steering wheel, ASM hub, MOMO, Monte Carlo. Super easy to do. Horn button works, which is nice. But yeah, that's the end of this video. If you guys like that, like, comment, subscribe, you know? Alright, peace.